This is Darshana Goshen with your daily news update for February 2nd, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Asian equity markets declined at the start of the week, tracking losses in U.S. futures amid heightened volatility in precious metals and ahead of a busy period of corporate earnings, central bank meetings, and key economic data. South Korea's Kospi index declined 5.5%, marking its largest single-day loss since April last year. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index, excluding Japan, fell 2.8%, while China's CSI 300 index declined 1%. Japan's Nikkei index eased 1% as well. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.47 points or 0.11% to 421.45. Total trade volume was down with 150,973 shares changing hands at a total value of over 1 billion real or over $247,000. On the main board, only one stock, Pestec Cambodia, was up, while 4 stocks were down, with Grand Twins International as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering and JS Land were down, while Picasso City Garden stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Rial stayed flat at 4,026 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 97.09. Turning to global commodities, oil prices fell 5% on Monday. Brent crude futures were down 5.2% at $65.69 US dollars per barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude fell 5.5% to $61.61 US dollars per barrel. Gold slid 5% to its lowest in more than 2 weeks, while silver fell more than 7%, following records hit by both metals last week. Spot gold traded down 3.6% at $4,717 US dollars per ounce. US gold futures for April delivery fell 0.8% to $4,707.60 US dollars per ounce. Moving on now to other business-related news. Cambodia secured a total of 27 awards across various categories at the recent ASEAN Tourism Standards Awards presented during the ASEAN Tourism Forum held in the Philippines, which was held from January 27 to 31st, 2026. The event was organized with the objective of strengthening ASEAN tourism standards across various types of tourism service providers. Cambodian Deputy Prime Minister His Excellency Sun Chanthol met with senior executives from China's BYD Group on January 30th to discuss the automaker's strategic expansion following the successful delivery of the first electric vehicles assembled in the kingdom. The high-level talks centered on scaling production capacity to meet rising domestic demand and the upcoming launch of a major car center in Phnom Penh, which BYD expects to be the country's largest. Sunway Medical City Expo 2026 was held for the first time on January 30th at Aeon Mall, Sen Sok City, promoting cooperation between Cambodia and Malaysia in the healthcare sector and other key areas, including trade, tourism, and investment. The expo provided new opportunities in healthcare and medical tourism, particularly expanding options for Cambodian citizens to access high-quality healthcare services in Malaysia at competitive prices, providing an alternative to existing popular healthcare destinations in the region. And that's all for today's update. This was Darshana Goshen for B2B Asia News.